Hello folks, welcome back. Another education video for you. In today's video, how to make the roads a little safer when icy. We had rain and rained all night. I told him put on his skates. Yeah. He's trying on to show us how icy it is. End of January, and we got a lot of rain. It's supposed to get cold again. It'll get icy. Yeah, let's get to it. How to make the road a little safer when icy. We got some sand here. Look at this, folks. We got some sand here. Leftover sand. It'll be good to make a sand pit back by the gravel pit back there. Look for some sand and clear it out and make a sand pit. Do some test holes and look for some sand. Yeah, we got leftover sand here. I just plowed it back, the snow back, and I'm working it up so it's frozen, so I'm making it soft. We got the construction king here. We'll use that to make the road a little safer. We can check here. Check out the ice here, folks. I'm gonna try to make it through here. I don't want to fall. Oh, I'm barely making it up. Right here, look at that. Whoa, look at that, folks. Very icy. So we're gonna spread some sand on the corners, make the road a little safer. We'll do the corners, the intersections. Through here. Yeah. Let's get some sand loaded up there, folks. We got my buddy there, Alan. He's helping tool handler. Yeah, we got some sand there. Yeah, very good worker, Alan. Yeah, me and Alan, we're gonna go head out that way. Here's a vehicle coming. He's cruising on the ice. Yeah, all right, we'll get to it. Let's get started. Alright folks, we got a load of sand. We're in a dangerous four-way. We'll spread some sand so the vehicles can stop at the four-way. They won't slide. Yeah, very icy here. Rained all night here in northern Alberta. Let's make the road a little safer. Let's get started. we have to do something when it's icy like this to avoid the vehicles from crashing to each other. Yeah, they'll run over it and it'll pack down and it'll stick to the ice. And then when they come, they can stop at the stop sign. When a vehicle comes by, they can stop this way. We'll get some that way, very icy that way. We'll get some here. We'll work on the corners. We'll do all the corners. We can't do all the roads, but we can do the corners. Alan's got a good idea there. Get some tools for him. Or tool handler. You don't need tools, eh?
Fuck the tools.
Yeah. Get her done, yeah. Yeah, Alan, our tool handler doesn't need tools. Wow, looking good. Awesome. Yeah, how to make the roads a little safer when icy. Let's take a look over here, folks. This other way is very icy. Up towards the highway that way, about a half an hour, there's a big car pileup. Not a like a safe pileup. Like they all stopped because it was too icy. They were all parked, waiting for the salt trucks. The salt trucks came, and the trucks are now moving. Here's another truck coming. He's sliding a little. He's coming on the ice. Look at that ice. Wow. We'll get some sand spread that way. Alan, say in the comments if the roads are a little safer. Yeah, we'll talk to my uncle here. Yeah, he said it was awesome and he took off. There's Brandy. Look, Brandy, walk on the sand. Oh, it said he got ice grip. Hey, that's very educational. You can get those ice grips on your feet too. Let's see them, Brandy. Hey. Oh, look at that. Look at that, folks. Let's see. Cool. You're just walking on the ice, huh?
Yep, her.
Nice. Yeah. There's another vehicle. Alan's doing a good job. All right, folks, we'll get another load. We'll get all the corners. Oh, very icy. Continuing on, we're gonna work on this corner, how to make the road a little safer. Like my brother, Sydney, loves skating. He's got his skates on. He's showing us, he put them on to show us how slippery it is.
Yeah, it's really slippery.
Look at that. We used to play hockey, me and him. Look at that. Awesome. Let's zoom in. He's going way down there. There's a vehicle. Yeah, we're gonna work on this part. What's that? Yeah. Yeah, right there. We'll work on this part here. He's coming back, brother Sydney. He's a referee too. He refs on hockey.
Really icy.
Yeah, oh, don't hit me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That sand will help lots.
Remember when we were kids we used to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah, when it becomes icy?
Yeah, we skate from the house to the skate rink too.
Yeah. We used to skate on the rink. Maybe once or twice we did before.
We go about maybe 4 or 5.
Yeah.
We'll come back till about 1:30 in the morning.
Yeah. skate that way. Check it out. There he goes. Brother Sydney Chambuad. Micheal Chambuad on camera. Holy shit, he's heading to town. Oh, he's way down there. He's going to the rink. All right, Sydney's got to head back to the school. He's working out there. Yeah, Sydney's just showing us how icy it is. I told him put on his skates. Yeah. He's trying on to show us how icy it is. Awesome.
Good.
Yeah, we'll work on this corner here. Yeah, in this video, how to make the road a little safer when icy. We're getting back into the YouTube rhythm slowly. We'll try. Huh?
I had that metal shovel.
Oh, okay. What? The shovel? Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. Coming around the corner. We'll get some sand in there. Go, Alan, go! Go, Alan, go! by it now. We got the hill done too also, folks. Very icy going down. I went on the side first and put some sand as I went for traction, and I went all the way down. Then I went down here slowly. We made it. All the vehicles came up after I spread sand going down. And at the bridge around the corner too. A little bit here. Yeah, very icy. Here's the ice again, look. See that? Yeah, all the way down, look at this. Fuck. Oh, sorry. Right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right there, you can see the ice. Yeah, we win today with our traction, sand traction. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video again. Yeah, very icy here. We'll spread a little more here, but got more to do. This will do for now. We got other areas to attend to. All right, bye for now. All right, folks, hope you enjoyed this video. How to make the road a little safer when icy. Hope it's educational. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. All right, bye for now.